This woman is a stockbroker and she has a problem. The biggest problem is that because she has so many customers to deal with each day, over 40 in fact, and there are so many shares in the Australian stock market, over 2,000, she does not have enough time to research and understand and strategize for her clients and their diverse needs every day. Another major problem is that she only receives research reports and recommendations every few days on a specific share from her stockbroker. So the information she receives on fundamental basis is usually out of date. Not only that, she's noticed that in the past, her firm's recommendations seem to come out at the top of the market and sell signals seem to come out at the bottom of the market. She is very well respected by her clients, and she wishes to continue to help them make as much money in the markets and make the best investments that they can. It shows she will be doing the best that she can do and earn so that she can look after her children in the way she really wishes to. In addition, she has clients with self-managed super funds who really want to know how to allocate their money between shares, fixed interest, cash, and other securities and products. Yet she does know that there are times when the stock market bottom is forming and they should allocate more shares, as that is where they generate a greater return quickly. Yet her research department and firm may not change their asset allocation for many, many months or even years. She is a very well-respected broker, and she wishes to continue to help them make as much money in the market and make the best investments that they can. So she will be doing the best that she can do and earn her money so that she can look after her children in a way that she really wishes to. In addition, she's also got clients with self-managed super funds, SMSFs, who want to really know how to allocate their money between shares, fixed interest, cash, and other securities and products. Yet she does know there are many times when a stock market bottom is forming and that they should allocate more to their shares, as that is where they will generate a greater return quickly. Yet her research department and firm may not change their asset allocations for many, many months or even years. So she is not as responsive to the markets and opportunities that will help keep her clients happy and keep the brokerage income coming. A profitable client is a happy client. This woman is also a stockbroker. She has also had the same problems. We cannot show you her face for professional reasons. She's also had exactly the same problems of lack of time, too many people to talk to, too many shares to research, old research that came out at the top. She had a friend who worked at MPG Broker who had recommendations to buy. This woman is also a stockbroker. She also had the same problems. We cannot show you her face for professional reasons. She also had exactly the same problems of lack of time, too many people to talk to, too many shares to research, old research that came out at the top. She had a friend who worked at MPG Broker who had to actually recommend buying CBA shares above $78 in line with company policy and recommendation. That friend was so embarrassed to see them fall very quickly to $72. How did she solve the problem? One of the solutions that Our Lady Stockbroker has found was to become a gold member of the Profit Hunters Group and gain access to David Hunt's market timing and live real-time stock-specific advice. What this has meant for her is that she can ask about any share on the Australian Stock Exchange at any time during the day and receive a reply within 2 hours on the current state of that share and share strategies that she can use to get her clients into the share or out of the share, and the likelihood of that share achieving profit targets, and is also given ways of managing the share for her client over the time frame of her choice and her client's choice. In addition, she attends a live morning webinar specifically dedicated to the Australian stock market shares, which cover up to 10 major ASX sectors and indices per day, 10 top 50 stocks per day, 20 mid-size, small and mid-cap stocks per day, asset allocation percentage investments in shares for aggressive, moderate and risk-averse self-managed super fund managers. Plus, if she cannot attend the live webinar, she can read a transcript of the entire webinar and also has access to specific trading recommendations in Australian shares. And when she has time, she can view a recording of the webinar, seeing the charts live. Sometimes live trades are recommended to her as the market unfolds. In addition, she can attend long-term forecasting and strategy webinars held specifically to map out a plan for the markets over the next few months, every 2 weeks. And of course, if she cannot make the evening webinar, she can watch the recording at her leisure. When she receives a question about a share from one of her clients as a Profit Hunter Group Gold member, she can immediately ask David Hunt his view on that stock. For example, CBA.ASX, where he thinks that the CBA can get to over the trader's time frame, investor's time frame, or intermediate time frame. How she can limit the damage if the share changes and does not do what is expected. In effect, David Hunt is holding her hands while she serves her clients. David Hunt holds her hands while she serves her clients and holds their hands. And in addition, the Profit Hunter Group is made up of other advisors who have knowledge, and in effect, David Hunt is holding her hands while she serves her clients. In effect, David Hunt is holding her hand while she serves her client. And in addition, the Profit Hunter Group is made up of other advisors who have knowledge and interest in many stocks, and the group becomes bigger than just David Hunt and Our Lady Stockbroker. Plus, you get to eavesdrop in what other brokers are thinking. The Profit Hunter Group Gold membership is an active membership. What that means is the Profit Hunter Group members, like Our Lady Stockbroker, can ask questions of David Hunt at any time of the day or night. The majority of members ask questions between 9:30 a.m. and 4:15 p.m. during market ASX hours. Having an impartial life support system has been found invaluable by many professional advisors. If you are a stockbroker, financial planner or a fund manager, David Hunt's Profit Hunters Group may help you, whether you are a fundamental investor or a technical trader or a self-managed super fund manager. Memberships range from active and short-term to passive and investment timeframes. Discover more about membership with a private and confidential discussion with Nigel King on 1300 552 182. Please note, Gold membership is by application and interview only. You can apply right now directly online for Silver, the passive membership, and Bronze, the strategic and long-term membership, at profithunters.com.au/amember/cart.